Hello friends, this is Saumil Patel. This side welcomes you in the Automation Mastery training. Okay, and in this tutorial we are going to discuss about the vertical movement and horizontal movement again. But as you know that in our previous sessions we have discussed about the top to bottom and left to right movement. Okay, but in this tutorial we are going to discuss about the bottom to top and right to left. Okay, with the help of these two slider. For vertical moment I am using this slider. This slider has the text slider, and for horizontal moment I am using this slider, and this slider has the text slider too. Okay, so for vertical moment I am going to discuss about from bottom to top. Okay, so for that I am just duplicating this object and I am putting it over here. So I am going to discuss about from point number A to point number B. Okay, from bottom to top. So what should be the vertical setting, vertical location setting? Okay, so for that you need to just check the scale. So what is the Y scale over here? Over here, it's around 540. And what is the Y scale over here? Over here, it's around 40. So almost from 540 to 40 it will move. Okay, so what should be the setting? From 540 to 40 is the setting for my vertical movement from bottom to top. Okay, so when I move from 0 to 100 my slider, okay, so when I move from 0 to 100 my slider, it will go from 540 to 40. Okay, but when I do the setting from 540 to 40, okay, it will go down because I have set up for 540 and I have set down for 40. So that is the wrong settings. Okay, for up means I need to set 40, and for down means I need to set 540. Okay, let's check. Save runtime. Okay, see, oh sorry, that is a mistake from my side. Okay, let's check again what is the mistake. Okay, okay, yeah. So in this tutorial we are going to discuss about the from bottom to top. Okay, not from top to bottom. So I need to reverse the setting. Okay, from top to bottom I have set 0 to 500. Okay, but this is the reverse action. Okay, so that's why I need to set 5 sorry 500 to 0. Okay, so why I have set this? See, you can see that in this setting what I have set from upside means 0 to downside 500. Okay, but right now we are discussing about from bottom to top, so it should be from 500 to 0. Okay, so that's why this setting should be 500 and this setting should be 0. That means its starting position means it's zero position. Okay, so from zero position it's 540, and what should be the end position is 40. Okay, so what is the difference? 500. Okay, so that's why up position I have set 500 and down position I have set 0, because 0 is the its original position. Okay, so when I move my slider from 0 to 100, okay, it will go from 0 to 500. Okay, I'm saving my and oh sorry, I just closed it. Okay, and if I go to the runtime mode, okay, so see, when I move again there is a mistake. Okay, so what is the mistake? Yes, that we need to find out. Okay, so what is the mistake? See, here is the mistake. What I did here, I did at top it should be 0. Okay, means that means while my slider is at 0 position, it should be at upside. Okay, so that is the mistake. And where when my slider is at 100 range, then it should be at 0. That means it should be at downside. Okay, so that is the mistake. While my slider is 0, it should be at down position. Okay, that means it should be at position A. And while my slider is 100, it should be at position B. That means 500 upside. Okay, so that is the difference that I need to make in the settings. Okay, why I am doing this kind of stuffs again and again, due for just your better explanation. That's it. If I press OK, if I press OK, if I am saving it, if I go to the runtime, okay, now it's okay. So my slider is at 0 position, so my object is at bottom position. Okay, I am discussing about from bottom to top. If I go from 0 to 100, see, my object is move from A to B, and my the previous object will move from B to A. So that is from top to bottom, and this object is from bottom to top. Okay, see. Okay, now what about horizontal movement? Okay, we have discussed from left to right. Now we have to discuss from right to left. Okay, that for that I just duplicate this object and I am putting it over here. Okay, and what should be the setting? It will move from right to left. Okay, so what is the right position? I need to check x-axis. Okay, what is the right position? It's a 660. And what is the left hand side position? It's around 100. So almost 560 is the difference. Okay, so what should be the settings over here? When my value is 0, when my slider value is 0, then what should be the value? 560. Okay, and when my slider is 100, then what should be the value? 0. Okay, but this value you need to interchange. Okay, here is the 100 and here is the 0. That means when your slider is at 0 position, it should be the object should be at its original position. So what is the original position? Original position is its default position. Okay, so its default position means its 0th position. So at the right end, when my slider is 0 to the right side, okay, that means that it is at its 0th position. Okay, and when my slider is 100, that means it will move right to left. Okay, by which scale it will move? 560. Okay, why it's 560? I will show you. Okay, so this is the 660, x is 660, and here x is 100. So that is the full range is 560. That's why I have said over here horizontal moment is 560. Okay, so to the left hand side it should be a 560, and to the right hand side it should be a 0, because my object is right now over here and it is its default position. That means it is its 0th position. Okay, that's why to right it is at 0th position, and my slider value it should be 0. But when my slider value is 100, it should be at 560 left side. Okay, okay, okay. Sorry, over here I have to assign expression. Yes, my expression is slider 2 because I am using the horizontal movement slider and its tag is slider 2. Okay, I am saving my screen, and if I go to the runtime mode, okay, see, yeah, okay, when I move my slider, it will go from right hand side to left hand side. Okay, so this object you need to observe, right? So that's all about horizontal movement and vertical movement. from left hand side to right hand side, from right hand side to left hand side, and from top to bottom, and from bottom to top. Okay. uh, that's it for this video, and in our next tutorial I am going to discuss about the diagonal movement. That means like this diagonal. So you need to assign both vertical and horizontal movement actions both. Okay, so that we will discuss. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you very much.